Some of you guys know my story and my journey, some of you don't, but here's a little refresher. I started with nothing. No money, no skills, no connections, no confidence. And if I could go back and give my younger self some advice, these are the 9 tips that I would give that would literally change everything. If you're young and you apply them, you're literally gonna be light years ahead of everybody else. Number 1, develop a strong work ethic. Work ethic is literally a superpower. You don't need to be the smartest guy in the room. I never was, that's for sure. You also don't need to have the most money or be the most talented. I was never that guy. But what I was focused and had the ability to work hard when it wasn't fun, when I wasn't being rewarded, when people weren't dropping me thumbs up and being like, great job, you're amazing. I was working hard when people didn't get it, when people told me I was stupid or that I was wasting my time. If you have the ability to focus and work hard, you will be successful, much more so than them, which brings me to number 2. Stop worrying what other people think of you. These people don't matter. In the grand scheme of things, the other reality that I learned is that people don't focus and think about you as much as you think they do. The fastest way to stay broke, stuck, and miserable is to listen to other people and let their opinions dictate and run your life. If I would have listened to all the people, I would have never started a grooming company. I would have never started posting YouTube videos. I would have never started a men's skincare company. Oh my God, it's so stupid. It's what girls use. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Stop worrying about them because they don't matter. They're gonna stay safe, they're gonna stay stuck, they're gonna stay living their basic, boring life. But if you truly wanna live something that is inspiring, you wanna achieve all of your goals, you wanna make as much money, you wanna live a happy, healthy life with a spicy ass senorita, you can't worry about them. Focus on you, do you, and make yourself successful, happy, and proud. Number 3, invest in your appearance early. Do not wait until you get a good job. Do not wait until you're in your 30s. The earlier and the sooner you start paying attention to your appearance, dressing well, being well groomed, the better off and the further ahead you're gonna get. In the first 3 seconds upon meeting you, somebody has just formed an opinion based solely on the nonverbal communicating that you're doing. Everything from the way that you're dressed, the way that you stand, your skin, your smile, your hair, the way that you make eye contact, all of the nonverbal communicating is telling the world who you are. It's your packaging, all right? And if you wanna have every advantage in this world that you possibly can, you've gotta look good. Invest in your style. Make sure that your clothing is coordinated and matches, that it's not worn out or wrinkled or stained. Make sure your shoes are clean, your skin, that it's good. Skincare, it works. And hair, get a good haircut and make sure that you're using good products. On that note, I wanna do something special for you, a special bundle for you that you're gonna love, all right? My 3 favorite hair products, $30. You're gonna get Putty High Hold Low Shine, 2 ounces. 8.5 ounces of sea salt spray, a pre-styler, the best product on the market. And then the 1/2 ounce texture powder. All 3 of these products I use on a daily basis. I'll use this first in my hair, and then I'll apply a little putty, and then I'll finish it off with a little texture powder to come in to give my hair weightless volume. $30. You're gonna get all 3 of these amazing products for $30. It's the best and biggest deal I've ever done. If you're interested in grabbing it, you gotta go through that special link. Do not wait, because I'm probably gonna kill this deal after a few days, depending on how much I move, because the deal is insane and these products are amazing. I'm doing it because I want you to try them, because I know once you try them, you're gonna be back. Like literally like hair crack. I'm literally like a hair product drug dealer. I know that once you try it, right, you get a little taste, you're gonna be like, damn, Alpha, my hair looks amazing. Give me more, gentlemen, don't wait. Hit the link down below. Number 4, take risks early, fast, fail. It's okay. It's gonna happen. One of the things that really frustrates me, and the things that separates winners from losers, people that succeed and people that don't, is the willingness to push down that fear. That's there for everybody, and take a risk, take a chance earlier. Something else I just need to throw out there. You don't need more time. You don't need to learn more. You don't need to get older. Now is the best time. One of the things that unfortunately happens is we think that preparation is what we need to do in order to finally be ready, when truly it's just procrastination in disguise with a better name. You need to start, you need to jump, you need to take a chance. You're gonna fail, you're gonna fuck it up. It happens to all of us. But the sooner and earlier you do that, the sooner you're gonna start working that fear muscle. I promise you, nothing great was ever accomplished because it was easy. Take a chance, take a risk, take the jump. Number 5 is social skills. Develop them. You can have the best idea in the world, be the best at whatever you want to do, but if you can't communicate that, you're gonna miss out. And this goes for pretty much like every aspect of communication and social skills. You need to learn to talk to people. You need to learn to communicate and talk and speak eloquently and basically be able to get a point across. If you're somebody that is stammering, if you're stuttering, if you're you know what I'm talking about, using a bunch of filler words or cursing all the time, it makes people think you're not educated, also not as smart, and not worth investing in. Number 6 is learn to manage money. Debt will rob you of joy and happiness. It's not about making a ton. If you can't manage it when you make a little, when you make a ton, you're just gonna waste it and you're gonna be broke. Or you're gonna be living above your means, all right? You've gotta understand that finances and financial literacy is something you need to learn and develop. And the sooner you start understanding money, understanding interest rates, protecting your credit score, investing early, that little bit of extra money, living below your means, setting a budget, this is one of the things that you can do that's literally gonna set you apart from like everybody else. Number 7 is take care of your body. It's a temple, bitches, and you gotta make sure you treat it that way. This means work out every day. It doesn't matter what you do, but you gotta get active, all right? If you sit there, if you're a sedentary slug, you're not gonna be healthy. You gotta move your ass, gentlemen. It's what it's all about. Don't drink, don't smoke, don't bang nasty, spicy senoritas that you shouldn't be banging, unprotected. Which is something else I just want to kind of mention. You got to stop chasing women, all right? Pretty people, they're a dime a dozen. Find somebody that has good character. Stop wasting your time chasing and start spending your time focusing on something that you should be chasing, which is a career and investment opportunities and physical fitness and health. Focus on you. The other stuff, the women, the money, and all that stuff, it'll come, but you've got to focus on you. If you are derailing yourself by doing self-destructive things, sleeping with the wrong people, all right, doing drugs, getting drunk, doing stupid shit, it's going to prevent you from succeeding. I'm just throwing it out there. Or by the time you realize, oh, this is dumb, and you get it under control, all these years have passed and you can't get that time back. Start now. But your body, it's also something you need to start now. Take care of it. Eat right, work out, don't do bad stuff, go in for regular checkups once a year. The 8th thing you need to do is choose your circle wisely. If you're hanging out with losers, loser. Just saying. If you're hanging out with people that are unmotivated, that are self-destructive, chances are you're that person too. Surround yourself with better people. If they're not uplifting you, if they make you feel bad about yourself, or they're derailing or preventing you from moving in the direction that you see and envision for yourself, you gotta get away from them. Surround yourself with people that are awesome. No losers here, awesome people. No like energy vampires, awesome people. No people that are like, always asking to borrow money and always have like some like issue, stop it. Awesome people. People that inspire you to do better. You look at them and you want to emulate them, or you look at them and you think, you know what? I see what you've done. I'm going to do the same thing. And you need to listen to them, ask them the right questions, but be around better people. And the last thing I would like to tell you is look at things from the long game perspective. That's what you're playing. So often we get caught up in the instant gratification. We want results now. Unfortunately, success and good shit takes a long time to get. When you look at somebody and you see that they're successful, you're seeing the top of the pyramid, the things that they got. All the work, it's underneath the water, right? It's a metaphor, but it's the same thing in life and in business. You got to look at things not like for what's going to benefit you in a week or a month. What's going to benefit you in a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years down the road? It's the long game. The instant gratification, it feels good right now, but it's going to unfortunately prevent you from developing a legacy or developing true wealth. Be patient, consistent, relentless, and you will be unstoppable at life. I wish I knew this when I was your age. Unfortunately, I was pretty dumb. I was also busy doing things I shouldn't have been doing. I wish I had better role models. I wish I had better friends. I wish I took better care of myself, and I wish I took chances sooner. You cannot get time back. I don't want you to look back and regret anything. Failure, it's gonna happen. It's part of the process. It sucks, but it's overcomable. But what's not overcomable is wasting the best and most productive years of your life. Don't do it, gentlemen. Don't do it. You're amazing. Now get after it and take that jump.